Jealousy, an emotion monster. If we are firmly trapped in our thinking clamp of the closed couple relationship, then even a tiny breach of trust is enough to awaken the emotional monster of jealousy. Especially in today's fast-paced times, drama is practically pre-programmed sooner or later. Someone is always cheating on our way through the relationship maze from one life stage companion to the next. It then seems logical and is very convenient to blame the partner because he or she has not kept the game rules of the closed couple relationship. Once we have felt jealousy in a traumatic life situation, it often remains active within us for years, constantly on the lookout for a new chance to painfully reopen the old unhealed emotional wounds. All it takes is a suitable memory, a trigger in an otherwise perhaps perfectly harmless life situation, and we are back in the midst of the emotional rush of helplessness, fear of loss, and diminished self-esteem. These are very ugly feelings. They are the price of our strict relationship rules, and it is very hard to escape them. Jealousy needs a lot of love to heal completely. It needs clarity and honesty in everything we do and in our communication with each other. We should all know exactly what we want to experience with each other and what we don't. See also the chapter Trust, Connection and Intimacy. If we use a gentle jealousy as a tingling drive motor, it can also spur us on to want to feel our love relationship more intensely and lovingly again. If we have observed the emotional monster of jealousy within us for a while, we may be able to tune into a new expanded frequency of life and love together, as long as no one is emotionally hurt in the process. Or we may keep the emotion monster as a spiritual pet in our aura for the rest of our lives and let it rule over us. Many also don't want to get out of their usual comfort zone and prefer to stick with the concept of a completely closed couple relationship, following the strict rules of Yang. It certainly saves us a lot of turmoil. Yin relationships are more open, more balanced, but also much more complex. They want to be well cared for and need a lot of loving, honest communication. We are adult human beings. Let's decide how we want to live with each other and what we want to experience together. And let's personally make sure that we don't deliberately hurt anyone.